Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Bereishit. Bereishit chapter 1 verse 6. V'yomer Elohim Yehi Rakia Betoch Hamayim Vihi Mavdil Bein Mayim Lamayim. Traditional translation: And God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the water, and let it be a separation between water and water." V'yomer, traditional translation, and so said. The vav is a prefix that means and. Yomer is a verb that means to say, to answer, to say in one's heart, to think, to command, to promise, to intend. Elohim, traditional translation, God. It is a masculine noun that means God, goddess, godlike one, works or special possessions of God, or the true God. It comes from the root word Elo, which is a masculine noun that means God or false God. Yehi is traditional translation, let there be. It is a verb that means to be, to exist, to abide, to stand, to happen, to arise, to become, to appear. It comes from the root word hava, which is a verb that means to fall, to be, become, exist, or happen. Rakia, traditional translation, expanse. It is a masculine noun that means extended surface, expanse, or firmament. It comes from the root word rakah, which is a verb that means to beat, to stamp out, to overlay, or to make a spreading. Betoch, traditional translation, in the midst of. The beit is a prefix that means in. Toch is a masculine noun that means midst, middle, into, through, among, or between. Hamayim, traditional translation, the water. He is a prefix that means the. Mayim is a masculine noun that means water or waters. Vihi, traditional translation, and let it. Mavdil, traditional translation, be a separation. The mem is a prefix that means from. Bedil is a verb that means to separate, to divide, to set apart, to make a distinction, to divide into parts, set apart, sever, or difference. Bein, traditional translation, between. It is a preposition that means between or among. Mayim, traditional translation, water. It is a masculine noun that means water or waters. Lamayim, traditional translation, and water. The lamed is a prefix that means and mayim is a masculine noun that means water or waters. Thank you for listening. Shalom.